equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Lenovo Vostro 3510 and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Carefully use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, you'll see the internal components. It's a good idea to clean any dust with a soft cloth. Now, locate the LCD cover. Check for any screws holding it in place. Remove these screws gently. After that, carefully detach the old LCD cover from the screen. Align the new cover and press it into place. Replace the screws to secure it. Reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are fastened. Finally, power on your device to check the new cover. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy pickup and delivery at your home, with no calls and no travel required. Get a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.